Guys, I've been running all night.
How come? And I have been on for a while, but can't feel any pressure at all.
I feel clogged, both in and out.
What? I can't hear anything besides the sound of my own drips.
Well, that and leaks.
What do we do?
You all need to pipe down and redo your internals.
What do you mean?
Let me reflect it for you. Before work begins, precise planning of water load is done to ensure consistent pressure. Proper selection of pipes as per dimensions and usage ascertains that they don't leak. Teflon tapes and adhesives are wrapped around the threads of the pipe joints to avoid leakage. The auto shut valve of the flush is fixed properly and the joints are sealed. Traps are installed and used across all outlets to stop waste from entering the drain pipes, which leads to clogging.
Let that sink in.
Hold on, it is also important to pick plumbing materials with the right features. Strong, durable and lightweight. Highly resistant to impact damage. Stronger in tensile strength as compared to iron, steel and other thermoplastic pipe material. Rust and corrosion free. Low on maintenance. Low on thermal conductivity. Tough, reliable and UV resistant. As for pipes, it's important to choose the right one as per usage. Chrome copper, galvanized iron, copper, CPVC and PEX pipes are used for water supply lines. PVC, cast iron and chrome brass pipes are used for waste lines. With all that and the right workmanship, you get the perfect plumbing solutions with no leaks.
But who'll do that for us?
Of course, Livspace.